Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Magic Mixie is probably one of the most enchanting and interactive toys to hit the market, offering an unparalleled mystical experience where children can genuinely feel like real sorcerers conjuring a magical creature from a shimmering crystal ball, making it an absolute must-have for anyone seeking to spark wonder and imagination in their little ones with a truly unique unboxing and play adventure. Number 5. Little Live Pets Lil Baby Bunny Playset. Experience complete family fun with this playset. Grow your mama surprise bunny families, each with their own themed toy house and accessories. Open the doors to discover 4 to 6 surprise babies, bringing love and adorable fun. Witness a magical baby reveal. Wipe mama's cheeks with a damp cloth to make her blush, signaling she's ready. Close the playhouse door, open it again to discover adorable babies, and watch your pet family grow. Each baby includes a hidden toy accessory, sticker sheets, family cards, and collector's guides. These bring endless surprises and collectible excitement. The colorful plush toy opens into a themed play area. Let your babies explore, play, and interact using pretend pet accessories. This sparks imaginative stories and bonding moments. This makes a fun gift for birthdays or holidays for kids aged 5 and up. With many pets to collect, it offers surprises, creative play, and collectible joy for children who love bunnies and animal-themed toys. What we like. If you love nurturing a growing family and enjoy the excitement of surprise reveals, this playset is perfect for you. Its interactive features allow for endless imaginative play as you discover new babies. This is ideal for children who cherish collecting and creating their own adorable animal families. What people say. Number 4. Magic Mixie's Mixlings Magic Light Up Treehouse. This enchanting playset is filled with countless magical moments waiting to be explored. It offers a world of wonder for your Mixlings. Experience its magical light-up transformation. Watch as a room changes from a cozy hangout to a secret, glowing space for spells. Simply place your Mixling at the front door. They can then ride up the real working lift, adding to the fun. Share a delightful meal with your Mixling. It has a magical dining table perfect for imaginative play. After a day of adventure, your Mixling can fall asleep. There's a cozy treetop hideaway just for them. What we like. If you're fascinated by magical transformations and love discovering hidden secrets, this treehouse offers an enchanting experience. Its light-up features and secret room provide a dynamic backdrop for imaginative adventures. This is a great choice for kids who enjoy interactive playsets with an element of surprise. What people say. Number 3. Alritz Fairy Potions Kit for Kids. Introducing a complete set of magical accessories for your child. With butterflies, a magic wand, and energy crystals, they can craft their very own enchanting fairy world. Let them experience the magic firsthand. This kit ignites their curiosity and encourages them to dream, imagine, and create. Each potion becomes a unique treasure, reflecting their limitless imagination. It's a journey into their own magical world. They can create 20 unique magic fairy potions. Choose from 7 mysterious recipes or invent new ones, guided by simple, step-by-step instructions and beautiful pictures. It makes concocting their own potions easy and joyful. It contains natural pink crystals and yellow tiger's eye stone. These add powerful energy to their magic fairy potion. They will gain health, happiness, and good luck from their creations. Every magical ingredient has passed rigorous CPC toy safety tests. The glitter is non-toxic, and bobs are securely designed. It is recommended for children aged 6 and up, ensuring safe fun. Provide them with a magical display box to explore and create unforgettable memories. This kit is an excellent festive gift for boys and girls aged 6 to 12. Parents and grandparents can even join in, enhancing teamwork skills. The thickened, drop-resistant plastic bottles won't break when knocked over or dropped. Tight-fitting caps prevent spills when shaking. This ensures no mess on tables or clothes, making it parent-approved. What we like. If you enjoy hands-on crafting and love to create your own magical concoctions, this potion kit is an excellent pick. It allows you to mix up to 20 unique potions, complete with natural crystals for added enchantment. This is perfect for imaginative children who want to explore the world of magic through creative play. What people say. Number 2. Magic Mixie's Pixlings, Deerlee the Deer Pixling. Experience a world of enchantment with our new magical toy. Create a wondrous potion that reveals a beautiful doll inside a mystical bottle. Begin your journey by adding the special ingredients. Watch as your elixir transforms into a deep blue, ready for the next step. Now, turn and press the crystal gem topper. Utter the words Magic Mixie and prepare for an astonishing reveal. Before your very eyes, the blue potion will clear. She will magically appear, ready to be discovered. Say hello to Deerlee, the beautiful deer Pixling. Her unique potion power embodies the spirit of adventure, inspiring endless imaginative play. This lovely doll is fully posable with 7 points of articulation. She features rooted long hair, a soft skirt, and beautifully detailed shoes. The potion bottle also doubles as a doll stand. You can pose and display her proudly for all to admire. What we like? If you're looking for a truly magical unboxing experience where a doll appears right before your eyes, this product delivers. The potion reveal is captivating, transforming liquid into a beautiful Pixling doll. It's ideal for kids who love collecting unique dolls and enjoy a dramatic, interactive surprise. What people say. Number 1. Magic Mixie's Magic Genie Lamp. Rub this mystical lamp and prepare to create a wish-granting Genie Mixie. Who will you magically bring to life from within? Discover a special magic ring hidden inside. This ring reacts uniquely with your interactive Mixie, making real magic happen. Witness true enchantment as magical mist emerges from the lamp. Then, watch as your pink Genie Mixie gracefully rises from within. This interactive plush toy is brimming with magical abilities. It can grant wishes, cast spells, and much more for you to discover. Together, the interactive Mixie and its lamp offer over 60 unique lights, sounds, and reactions. There's so much magic to explore with them. What we like? If you dream of having your own genie and love interactive toys, this magic lamp offers an enchanting experience. It features a real misting reveal and comes with a magic ring that interacts with your genie. This is perfect for children who enjoy magical companions and imaginative wish-granting adventures. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.